While your clients demand delightful and frictionless experiences, you must set your innovators free to develop applications 10x faster. However, stuck due to legacy technology ecosystem, disjointed applications, long development cycles, and lack of collaboration. JIFFY.ai's no-code technology enables you to build outstanding applications for your consumers and employees 5 times faster than any no-code, low-code provider. Pave the way to transformation by using JIFFY.ai's no-code capabilities. AI-enabled application blueprints, delightful user interface and experience builder, built-in process and workflow designer, domain-focused language models, AI-powered document extraction, intelligent document digitization, AI-powered integration with third-party APIs, advanced robotic process automation, and transformational ETL. The JIFFY.ai enterprise platform empowers you to build delightful user experiences while automating disjointed workflows and complex processes across mid and back offices. Explore the benefits firsthand as JIFFY.ai platform helps you to reduce total cost of ownership by more than 40% and drive end-to-end digital transformation. Powered by AI, take your enterprise to the next level.